I never imagined that I'll be here if you had asked me 4 5 months back, because this is something I never thought I would do, because before this course I was someone who was very low on confidence and didn't know what will happen in future. So yeah, it's been a great journey and something unbelievable. I'm Vishal, and I come from a engineering background and worked for a startup for a year after that, but then started looking for opportunities in a marketing field, and that's when I came across Craftshala's marketing launchpad program, and yeah, I'm happy to be a part of it. I have been placed as an intern at Team Pumpkin. I'm in search engine marketing department. So after the stint in a startup, started looking for opportunities in a marketing field, but there were not a lot of opportunities. So then I started looking for courses. There were a lot of courses, but it was difficult to trust someone and give them money and believe that this is going to be useful. Unless you have a lot of contacts or recommendations of that. So a Craftshalla MLP program gave that opportunity. You first test how the program is during the first 3 weeks, and then if you want, you can back out. You will get all the money back. It was about the guarantee that they give for the job opportunities. So you just have to pay them after you get a final offer. So that was also one of the things why I joined Craftshalla, and that made me believe that it's obviously going to be useful, because otherwise they won't be giving a guarantee, right? I come from an engineering background, so there I only see engineering people around me. So it's a very different experience to have different people coming from different field of expertise, and it's good to learn different things from them. The first group that we had, one had done a job in a stock marketing firm. The other was studying MBA in management, and one had already experience in hotel management. So yeah, that was very different fields, and I came from engineering. That was very different. So yeah, it was doing projects with having four different kind of inputs, because they have four different kinds of learning, right? So that was very very useful. Biggest achievement for me is first of all getting an internship at Team Pumpkin, and second would be being growing a lot in confidence. So that is something personally very big for me. If you see me 4 5 months back, I was kind of a totally different person, and I would have spoke only 50% of what I spoke right now. So yeah, that is because that point of time I was little low at confidence and not great at communication skills. But yeah, human skill sessions in this program helped me a lot in that. Made me a lot better in what I was before. So yeah, the biggest functional learning would be actually strategizing for a brand from the start. So that is something that you don't expect from a new people who have just learned digital market. So I think that is a very important thing. So expert interactions have been really helpful, because they have real time expertise in those fields that we are studying. So it was important that we have clear our doubts through the practical space. And I think during our interaction session with Ronak, it was like we were not understanding something, so he had to explain us 3 to 4 times to for us to understand. During every Ronak's call, there is one thing that he gives a lot of insights about the industries. So that is a big positive from that. Like, you get all the practical knowledge that is available from him. So he's great at explaining that. He used to explain things in a very particular manner that helped us understand better. It's very easy to understand by the way he speaks. It's slow and clear. So yeah, really helpful, and behavioral skills. Sumuna has been fantastic in putting the efforts in improving me as a person. I have been become a better person from what I was before. So yeah, it's I'm grateful to her. I have never been used to this kind of learning experience where everyone is so ready to help you at whatever point it is and whatever time it is, or ready to explain you things no matter how many times until the point you understand and are able to implement in a practical space. So yeah, that is very different, and that is something that I have never experienced. This is the first time. So when the placement started, so first two, I guess three companies didn't shortlist the resume, so that was a little bit disappointing. But yeah, like everybody told that there are a lot of opportunities going to come, so that confidence was there. So, but I didn't expect that I'll get selected in the second interview I gave. So yeah, it was great, and I guess what helped me was preparations before the interviews. For example, the behavioral interviews helped me prepare all the possible questions that are going to be asked, and also functional questions. Brief about the projects. So that really helped me understand about that and crack the interview. So if you are looking for a great learning experience in digital marketing, this is it.